Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a vlog, but trying to get back on that grind. Anyway, yeah, it's just been really bad weather lately, so I said, why a ride? It was like raining pretty much every day and stuff. But today, I'm just gonna go for a rip. There's a cruise night that's happening. Well, I guess it's not gonna be night, it will be afternoon. But yeah, it's, I think, it's closing, shutting down, and there was some issues that happened. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to take their picture and like their picture of the post and put in the screenshot, but pretty much people just started mistreating and not following the rules and stuff, so they were having a lot of people doing burnouts, races and stuff, so they had to shut it down. But I think today they're doing their last meet. They're planning on going to Steinbach, but I'm gonna stay. I don't want to, I just washed the bike, so I don't want to get it dirty again and stuff. But what do you think about my car? It used to be matte black. I had it plasticked for the past 2 years, and when I took it off, the paint still looks like as if it's new. Yeah, it was kind of misty in the morning or whatever, so there's watermarks or whatever, but that's okay. But yeah, I don't know if you guys remember how it looked in matte black. I'll put in a picture, but also I'll leave a link in my description of my first vlog. In my first vlog, you can see my car in the background when I was washing my bike. But yeah, that took me a while to do. I definitely do not recommend doing thin coats of plastic tip, because it gets hard to take off. If it gets hard to take off, then it's, you know, a lot of picking with your finger and stuff. It's not fun. But finally it's off and it looks good. Let me know in the comment what you guys think about the color combo with my rims and the factory color. Next year I might be changing the color of it, so drop some suggestions of what color I should do. I already have a few colors in mind. I don't want to go like, I don't want to do something too crazy, but we'll see. But yeah, so thank you guys for joining another vlog, and stay tuned. Thank you. So guys, let's change our plans. I'm just gonna quickly, I just got gas. I'm gonna go meet my friend who has the red Gixxer, or not Gixxer. What is that? The red Kawasaki. And then we're gonna go together. He's just nearby, so he called me saying he wants to ride today. So I was like, sure, let's do it. But yeah, so I'll pick him up and then we'll make our way to the meeting point. So guys, I picked up my friend. He's right here. It's been a while since he's rode in as well. Currently we're stuck in traffic. That's nothing new for Winnipeg. But yeah, we're on our way to the meet now. Hopefully everyone is there and we haven't missed out. So finally we got through the traffic. That took a while, and now I'm really tired. I hate doing that. I hate getting stuck in the heat, and then, like, you know, you get all exhausted and stuff. But anyway, check that out, all the cars. Ah, there's our guys right there. Alright guys, so everyone here, they're all leaving to Steinbach, so we'll ride out with them, and yeah, let's see what we can get. Oh, yo, check that. Oh, that's fucking sick. That's fucking sick. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me properly with all this wind. But anyway, yeah, we decided we'll just leave from the meet. A lot of people were there and a lot of people couldn't find parking spots, and we're taking quite a bit of the spots. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. No, it just it was kind of starting to get boring and stuff, and everyone kind of started going their own ways. Some people ended up going to Dairy Queen and blah blah blah. So we're just going to go ahead back to the city. We'll go home, rest up a little bit, and then probably come out again once all the rest of the guys are back, and then we'll do probably like a quick city rip. So I won't end this vlog yet, but I will end it today. Thank you guys.
It's big. It's this big.
Yo, that's actually creepy, man. I think so. I'm scared, man. Yo, that's huge, man. That's huge. Alright guys, so I want to ask you guys something. Remember earlier in the video where I showed you the copper wheels on my Cruise? What would you guys think if the wheels on my bike were the same color? I think that copper and the blue would look really, really nice. Let me know down in the comments, and if there's a lot of people that are saying that they would like to see the copper with the blue, I'm definitely going to do that. It'll again be just plastic dip, so it's not going to be permanent. It'll be temporary, but yeah, I'll probably end up doing that if a lot of people suggest it. So yeah, like let me know if I should do the copper and the blue, or if I should just stick with just the complete blue on the bike. Alright guys, so took my little break there. Now I'm gonna go to Pony Corral. The guys are already there. They met up at a 7-Eleven. That's one of our other spots that pretty much every biker goes to. But now they are on their way to Pony Corral. I'm guessing there might be a car show. We'll see, but I won't really make any footage of that just because I don't have enough space on the SD card. But before I left, I told you guys to tell me about the color. So please do let me know the color, because I want to change it. So I was right. It is a car show. Now all I gotta do is find my biker guys. Oh, I see one of our guys. There we go. Well, looks like I don't get to stop. Good timing though, I guess. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice. Gotta get someone to do a burnout. That's sick. Sick. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna be calling it a night now. All we did was just pretty much ride around to different locations, and we ended up finishing, or I ended up finishing the night at Tim Hortons in Maine. They all went there again, and I guess that's where the new cruise will be, I guess. Cruise night. But anyway, yeah, it was a fun day. It was a long day. I think it was good that I took a break in the center in the middle of that whole thing, because man, it was hot. I mean, it's only going to get cold now, so I guess it's nice that it's nice and hot now. This entire week is good, so I definitely will make another vlog, if not more. But thank you guys for joining me in another vlog, and if you guys could do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and also share it with your friends so I can get my name out there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.